Hi there. Are you the type of person that doesn't like it when people sell you? Like when a salesperson isn't completely honest with you? Or when they try to manage you? Or even worse, when they deceive you so that it benefits the salesperson's goals and not yours? This is definitely not working in your best interest. And real estate agents are supposed to work in your best interest when they represent you while selling your home. At isoldmyhouse.com, we don't want any agents trying to pull a fast one on you. That's why we put together this video, so you can understand agents' secret tricks before hiring one, so that you can make the best decision for yourself and your situation. At the end of this video, you will be fully prepared to be able to spot a less than honest agent a mile away. So pay attention to these 7 secrets agents don't want you to know about when you are selling your home with them. So let's get started. Here is the first secret, and it's a good one. Secret number 1, agents will let you overprice your house. Have you ever seen a home that was listed for sale but at a price you thought was a lot higher than it was worth? If you pay attention to the real estate market, you probably have seen this a lot. You probably have also noticed that the sellers usually have to lower the price before it sells, sometimes even multiple times. Real estate agents call these price corrections or price improvements. But shouldn't a professional local real estate agent know the market and what a home should be priced at in order to sell? They should, but in a lot of cases, a homeowner is unrealistic on the price they want to sell their home for on the market. A real estate agent that is a true professional will show a home seller the data to back up a correct listing price. But sometimes a home seller just won't listen. Or even worse, an agent won't try to educate the home seller about pricing their home correctly. They will just allow the seller to list their home at whatever price they want in order to get the listing. But why would a real estate agent take a listing that is priced too high and will not sell? Simple. There is an old saying in the real estate agent business that says you can't get a price correction on a listing you don't have. So, do you see what's going on here? A real estate agent will take a listing at a high price and lock the seller into an exclusive contract to sell their home. Then, after being on the market for a while, they will get the seller to agree to a price correction, and then the house will sell. Then, they get a commission check. If they didn't take the listing at a high price, then they would not have had any chance of being able to collect a commission check at all. Is this practice doing the right thing for their clients? Probably not. But it happens a lot and is a secret you should be aware of when selling your house. So always ask what price you think your home will sell at and have them show you the recent sales data to back up the recommended selling price. Secret number 2, agents have open houses to get more business, not sell your house. Did you know that holding open houses is one of the best ways for agents to pick up more clients, not sell your house? Well, maybe sell your house. Someone could come to the open house that ends up making an offer, but most likely they won't. Most real estate agents' primary objective when holding an open house is to meet more people who are interested in buying or selling a home. Agents want to meet these new people, chat them up, make a good impression on them, and get their contact information to hopefully turn them into clients and make more money. That's what those sign-up sheets or apps are for that they have you enter your information into when you arrive. To be fair, you can't blame them for wanting to help more people buy or sell real estate. That is what they do for a living. But as a home seller, you need to be aware that this is primarily what is happening. A good listing agent will educate a home seller that open houses might not be the best tool for selling your house. That's because a lot of people that come to open houses are tire kickers and just checking things out. Or worse, they could be looking for an opportunity to steal from your home or even get prepared to break in later. Pretty scary, right? Most active buyers who are ready to make an offer on your home will set up a showing directly if they are really interested in your home. I'm not saying open houses are completely worthless, but a house that looks its best, is priced right, and listed on the MLS should not need one in order to sell. Secret number 3, agents are not expert negotiators. Do you think real estate agents will out-negotiate you if you try to sell your house yourself? This is a common feeling among homeowners. There's a lot of information out there about how a listing agent will negotiate on your behalf to get buyers to pay more for your house than you could on your own. It is a common scare tactic that is used to make sellers list their house with an agent because they say that they will negotiate more money for you than what it costs to pay them their commission. But the reality is that most agents are not these type of negotiators. Most real estate agents' negotiations take place like this. The buyer's agent will submit a written offer to the listing agent by email. The listing agent, after consulting with the sellers, will either accept or counteroffer by email. The buyer's agent, after consulting with the buyers, will either accept or counteroffer by email. Do you see a pattern? In today's real estate market, agents are busy because they are working with many clients, and email is by far the most common way negotiations take place. Nothing to be intimidated by at all for a seller. This is far from tense negotiations that you think happens during a deal. Even if a buyer's agent does call to present the offer from their buyers, they are usually very cordial and matter of fact. After all, they are just trying to get the house for their buyers. Most are not playing games, and if they are usually very transparent. Secret number 4, agents can charge you extra commission. This is one secret that should really bother you. It's actually not a secret because it is written into the listing agreements that home sellers sign with their listing broker. But most home sellers don't understand all the nuances of this contract. So here is something you need to be aware of. When you sell your home, there is a good chance that a buyer will write an offer where the seller has to pay some of the buyer's closing cost. As an example, the buyer will offer $400,000 but request $10,000 in seller-paid closing cost. So really, the buyer is offering the seller $390,000, not $400,000. But the seller will still pay commission on the full $400,000. So on a 6% commission listing, this adds up to an extra $600 the seller has to pay in commission for money they are not receiving on the sale price of their home. This doesn't sound fair, does it? Well, it's not, and it is something you need to be aware of because most real estate agents will try to keep that extra money. Before entering into a contract with a buyer where they are requesting seller-paid closing costs, be sure to negotiate that real estate commissions are only paid on the net purchase price. Or even better, make sure to negotiate that into your listing agreement before you sign it. That one tip alone just saved you more money than what our flat fee MLS listing plans cost. Secret number 5, agents are marketing themselves, not your home. Have you ever received postcards or other marketing pieces from real estate agents in your area with a home that recently sold or a bunch of homes that have recently sold in your area? If a listing agent's job is to market your home that is for sale, why do they keep sending out marketing that includes homes that have already sold? Simple. They want to market themselves to get more business. In fact, most listing agents spend more time and money marketing themselves than they do marketing your home. To be fair, if they did a good job working with you on getting your house ready to sell, educating you on an appropriate listing price, and then putting your home on the MLS with nice photos, that is all of the marketing you should need. But you don't have to be a real estate agent to do those steps. A savvy home seller can sell on their own with those same steps when using isoldmyhouse.com. Another shameless plug, but it's true. Secret number 6, for sale by owners don't sell for less money. If you have ever had a conversation with a real estate agent about if selling a house as a for sale by owner is a good idea, then no doubt they have told you that selling on your own will cost you more money in the long run. They say that it is because for sale by owners sell for a lot less money. They may even pull out some statistics or show you some information from an organization like the National Association of Realtors. So, is it true? Do for sale by owners sell for a lot less money than homes listed with a real estate agent? No. Let me explain. First, the data that they use is heavily flawed. One example is they include property that has transferred ownership and has gone through what is called a quitclaim deed transfer. When this unique type of property transfer shows up as a home sale, it will record that the home was purchased for just $1. These types of sales are what happens when property is quickly transferred between parties in cases such as probate, inherited homes, or divorce properties. So, if you do the math, having a bunch of homes that sold for just $1 included in the for sale by owner statistics, that is going to drastically bring down the stats to be in a real estate agent's favor. So in reality, a savvy homeowner that wants to sell for sale by owner can sell for the same prices as homes sold with a real estate agent, but they can save a lot of money on commissions, which means you can keep more money in your pocket. But remember, you have to be willing and able to do the work that a listing agent would do for you. Secret number 7, you can list for sale by owner on the MLS. Perhaps the most powerful tool a real estate agent has for home sellers is the MLS. This is not a secret. It's common knowledge that marketing your property on the MLS is the best exposure you can get. Marketing your home on the MLS puts it in front of buyer's agents who have clients looking for a home just like yours. But there is a catch with the MLS. You need to be a licensed real estate agent to list your home on the MLS and pay a high listing agent's commission. Unless you use isoldmyhouse.com. We are a network of licensed real estate brokers that provide for sale by owners access to list their home in the MLS for a low flat fee instead of a high listing commission. Technically, you are still listing with a listing agent, but you pay a low flat fee of a few $100s up front to list your home, and then you don't have to pay a commission for the listing agent when you close, saving you thousands of dollars. We have a link below for you to check out more information about how this unique and valuable service works. Be sure to check that out. And if you decide selling on your own is not for you, we can still save you lots of money by listing with one of our local partner agents that will sell your house with a discounted commission. So there you have it. We just gave you 7 secrets that real estate agents absolutely 100% do not want you to know about, and will give you the upper hand when you are ready to sell your home. Thanks for watching.